What's going on YouTube? It's Bernie, and today I want to show you what to do if your iPod doesn't want to start. This is the iPod Touch, and it should work on older versions too. But all you have to do is just hold in the home button and the power button, and just keep doing that until you see an apple on the screen. And what that will do is kind of reset your iPod. It's not gonna remove anything from your device. It's just gonna try to fix whatever what was the reason to why it didn't start earlier, and hopefully it will work for you. So just hold in the home button and the power button until you see something on the screen. So there you go.